Hi, Hannah.
Hi.
Could you find me a condo in Richmond Hill that under 450k?
It would be a tough fight, but I love my solo challenge, so I got you. Let's go. Introducing on 75 Cedar Avenue, located in the heart of Richmond Hill. And yes, I'm not even kidding. It is listed at 420k for approximately 850 square feet. Similar unit was sold over 520k last year. So here's a catch. It would benefit from a bit of attention. We are talking about replacing the carpet and giving it a fresh coat of paint to make it shine. With some love and care, I believe this place will be the perfect home or rental investment in no time. This unit offering a plenty of space. It has 1 bedroom, 1 den, 1.5 bath, include parking and storage locker for those convenience. Now let's check out all the amenities. We have outdoor pool for summer, tennis court, a game room, exercise room, indoor pool, another exercise room, sauna, all at low maintenance fees. I love this sunroom. So whether you're looking to renovate, invest, or be the first-time homeowner, don't miss out on these opportunities. Contact me today to schedule a showing. Thank you for watching.